Are you looking for the best 24/7 dash cam? In this video we will break down top 5 best 24/7 dash cam on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, ASDOM, model number, M660, ASDOM M660 Dash Cam features 4-channel recording that provides complete 360 degrees coverage. With an integrated system developed with the latest technology, you can now enjoy full monitoring and record every moment while driving. This dash cam has 4 cameras that capture images and videos in 4K quality, giving you a clear and detailed view of the road around you. ASDOM Dash Cam is an ideal solution for anyone looking for security and comprehensive monitoring in their car. ASDOM M660 features a built-in GPS module that provides accurate location data. This allows you to track your route, speed and other important information during your journeys. M660 left and right cabin cameras each feature 6 built-in IR LEDs, improving nighttime video quality and ensuring clear capture of all recording details in low-light conditions. Number 4. Brand name, Lingdu, model number, LD06. Lingdu LD06 Dual Dash Cam provides convenient experience in downloading and sharing videos to user. User could connect the dash cam to smartphone simply via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The dash cam has voice control functionality, which is easy to use and operate while driving. You can start and stop recording, take photos and perform other functions without taking your hands off the steering wheel, enhancing driving safety and enabling you to focus on the road ahead. Lingdu LD06 Dash Cam would create emergency video files once abnormal external force is detected. 5K Dash Cam provides important evidence for unpredictable accidents. With its advanced imaging technology, you can be sure to get the sharpest, most detailed footage possible. Number 3. Brand name, Redtiger, model number, A4. The Redtiger A4 is equipped with voice command functionality, enabling hands-free operation of your dash cam to enhance safety by reducing distractions. Its intuitive touchscreen interface ensures that important moments are captured effortlessly. Enjoy lightning-fast file transfers and real-time streaming, enhancing your connectivity and convenience. Experience unparalleled security with the Redtiger car camera's dual-mode parking surveillance. The G-sensor parking mode intuitively captures footage of any impact or abrupt motion while your vehicle is parked, ensuring critical moments are documented. Automatically locks footage during impacts, safeguarding crucial moments and providing reliable evidence. Protect your vehicle with time-lapse recording and impact sensors, even when you're away. Dual recording capability ensures a full record of your interactions during traffic stops. Number 2. Brand name, ASDOM, model number, GS63H Pro. ASDOM GS63H Pro Wireless Dash Cam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, precise location data. ASDOM car dashboard camera connect the dash cam to the hardware kit to activate the time-lapse function, which ensures the integrity of the recorded content, saves storage space and helps the dash cam achieve 24-hour monitoring function. 4K dual dash camera automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory is full, ensuring continuous recording with the included 64 GB card. With a 170 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear camera. Number 1. Brand name, 70mm, model number, A800S. The 70mm A800S 4K Dash Cam is capable of dual vision recording, which allows you to capture both the road ahead of you and behind. It is compatible with the RC06 rear camera, which is sold separately. Equipped with emergency lock, the 4K Dash Cam detects collisions or abrupt events and secures the relevant footage, ensuring that critical recordings are not overwritten or erased. This dash cam also supports loop recording, which replaces old video files with new ones when the storage is nearing capacity, guaranteeing continuous recording without any interruptions. The A800S can achieve dual-channel recording, providing all-round protection so you can drive with peace of mind. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions and will automatically capture any potential incidents. The advanced driving assistance system detects your surroundings and has real-time voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. The camera automatically detects lane markings and gives voice alerts when the car is drifting out of the lane. It uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture. It processes frames faster to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. 70 My A800S supports a 24-hour parking surveillance system,